Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to North Africa and we're going to be making a fragrant mutton tagine. We're going to be cooking in the wood-fired oven. We'll be taking a trip down the spice shelf and we're getting some cinnamon, some turmeric and some saffron strands. Let's cook. We're going to be using a cast iron tagine. We've got a trivet set up in our wood-fired oven. Then we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil, one chopped onion, a pinch of saffron strands, and two finely chopped garlic cloves. Pop these back in and start getting them brown. Keep on stirring, make sure that the garlic doesn't burn on the bottom. We don't want that burnt taste of garlic in the dish. Take this out, give it one final stir. And now it's time to add our mutton. So here we've got 800 grams, that's nearly £2 of mutton. And all we're looking to do with this is brown it off and seal it. So let's get it in the oven. Our mutton's browned off. It's time to add the spices. We've got 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 small red chilli, it's been finely chopped, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. Time to add some stock to this dish. So we've got 300 ml of lamb stock, that's roughly 1.5 cups. Just going to take the Dutchy stick and mix everything in together, distribute these flavours evenly. We're going to get this lid on and get it back into the wood-fired oven for 45 minutes. We're running the wood-fired oven at 150 degrees C, that's 300 degrees F. Get the door on and we'll see this in 45 minutes time. So after 45 minutes, we'll take the tagine out. And give it a good stir. The smells, the aroma of this dish are starting to build now. Lid back on and we're going in for 25 minutes now. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's easy. Just hit that subscribe button below. It's free. So after 25 minutes we're going to finish building this tagine. I'm just going to put a little skillet in the wood-fired oven to get warm. And we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of ground almonds. This will actually thicken the sauce up as well. 1 can of drained chickpeas. 1 sweet potato that's been cubed. 75 grams, that's 2.6 ounce of dried apricots. Make that 70 grams. 25 grams, that's 2.6 ounce of dried prunes. I'm going to take the Dutchy stick again and give this another good mix. This is looking a bit dry at the moment, so I'm going to add another 200 ml, that's 1 cup of lamb stock. The lid goes back on and this is going in for 20 minutes. While the lamb's cooking, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of almond flakes, and we're just going to toast these off. Got to keep an eye on these because these will turn very quickly. So that was about 5 minutes for our almonds. We'll take these out. And there's our tagine. Look at the colours on that. So we'll just give this a stir. The sweet potato is soft. The aromas are filling. Dutch's kitchen. Can't wait to get stuck into this. So there we have it. That's Dutch's fragrant lamb tagine. Garnished with our toasted almonds, some coriander, and served alongside some jewelled couscous. Don't forget to screenshot the ingredients and save to your files. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.